Hi Jonah and Joel. Finally, this is the day that you guys have been waiting for, your wedding. So we are very happy for you guys. Please take our advice, which are to love each other and always trust each other, and most of all, to have faith in God. Best wishes to both of you and good luck to your journey. We all love you guys and don't hesitate to call us if you guys need our help. Okay? So Joel, welcome to the family.
Hi Joel and Dan. Wala man kami ngayon dyan sa pinaka-importanting araw ng kasal nyo ngayon, pero sana sa video ito mapasaya namin kayo. Huwag nyo laging kakalimutan na nandito kami ang kuya nyo, ang ate ninyo, na kung kailangan nyo ang tulong namin, huwag kayong mahihiyang tumawag o lumapit sa amin. Darating ang time, magkikita-kita rin tayo. Malay nyo, baka dito
Maybe
kayo
next year.
mag-honeymoon.
Oh
Diba?
yeah.
So, hihintayin namin kayo dito.
That's gonna be
Kaya-
long wait
yeah.
if they're gonna
Kaya Joel, welcome to the family. Enjoy your honeymoon. Okay, bye!
Bye!